Today, we are making an animation of icons floating on a phone screen. Import the video. I filmed a video of a phone myself. After some stabilization, pre-compose. Click on Track Camera. We need to apply the tracking points to a virtual 3D camera. Select a few that align with the phone's plane. Right-click and create a solid layer. And camera rotation. Align it a bit. Check the effect. Import phone screen screenshot. Rename it. Zoom in on the image. Click the pen tool. We need to select the icons one by one. Ctrl+D to duplicate a layer. Press M to bring up the mask. Shift+Move key to move to another icon. This icon has a small red dot. Draw another circle. Change all masks to add. The next steps are all the same. I won't go into too much detail here. Remember to change all masks to add at the end. Create a new null object to control the global. Turn on the 3D switch. Parent all icons to the null object. Select all. Copy and paste these objects into the video composition. Move the solid layer near the null object. Hold Shift and parent the null object to the solid layer. We see the icon scale is wrong. It's caused by the solid layer. Press S on the solid layer and set scale uniformly to 100. Rotate the solid layer. Align with the direction of the phone icon. Turn off the solid layer visibility. Cancel the parent of the null object. Control the scaling of the null object. Adjust left and right position. Remember not to move up or down. Otherwise, the perspective will change. Selected icons need to be aligned one by one. Use the arrow keys on the keyboard to adjust until covering phone icon in front of the timeline. Just a few adjustments. The icons will have a hover animation later. Select the timeline to the start of the hover. Select all icons. Press P to set a position keyframe. At the end, move the Y-axis to rise. Select all keyframes for the action. F9, easing to adjust the rate curve. Stagger the icon rise position slightly. Remember to position the keyframe at the end. The position animation only has 2 keyframes. Also offset the icon layer by a little distance. Ctrl+D to duplicate all icons and null objects. Move to the top. Right-click and pre-compose. Name it Glow Layer. Remember to click the sun icon switch. The second icon has a small red dot. We need to select the stroke with external options. Right-click. Layer Style. Select Stroke. Open. We choose the desired color. Alt-click Opacity. Wiggle Expression can achieve the effect of border flickering. Copy the layer style of this layer. Paste to other icons. Pull down the glow layer composition. Add glow effect. Just fine-tune the value. After the icon hovers, our focus should not be on the phone. So add an exposure effect to the video. Keyframe the exposure. After the icon hovers, the phone slowly darkens. Keyframe the opacity of the stroke. Slowly appears after rising.